Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I've got several pull-through knife sharpeners, but I don't have an orange and white one. So, saw this at Walmart, made by Chef's Choice. It was around $5 or so, somewhere around there. So, since I didn't have an orange and white one, I had to buy it, right? Okay. Double bevel, longer lasting sharp edge, carbide blade, quick knife sharpening, 2 ceramic rods, ensures smooth cutting. Okay, the idea is you pull through, if your knife is really dull, you use the carbide first. If you just want to do a little bit of honing, you'll use the ceramic rods. So, when I was at Walmart, I said to myself, I'm going to have to see if this works on a cheap knife. So, look at their knife section. I found this one for 88 cents, right? How can you go wrong for 88-cent chef knife? Well, we'll find out, won't we? Here we go. Pop that off. Pull this out. Here we go. Ooh. This is a serrated edge one. So, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use this one in a different video. I am going to use this one that I got from Dollar Tree. It's not a serrated edge. I already opened it. Haven't done anything with it yet. But Dollar Tree, not really a Santoku, not really a chef knife, but it is stainless steel, made in China. There you go. Of course, that's not a good quality knife. And let's see here. Somewhere around here I have a piece of paper. Right here. Piece of copy paper. It does cut. Not a great cut, but it does cut. There's a little nick in the blade right there. Yep, I can feel it. But why do I have this rock right here? Brand new, unused Dollar Tree knife. We're going to sharpen it with this Chef's Choice. But first, hear that piece of granite? Watch this. This is surely going to dull this knife, right? Yeah. What's it going to do now? Where's this piece of paper here? Won't even go through there. So, we're going to test out this Chef's Choice, made in the USA. No, excuse me, designed in the USA. Right there. Not made in the USA, designed in the USA. Big difference there, right? So this is compact, portable, and convenient. There we go. Let's go ahead and pull this out of the package here. Now I've got several pull-through knife sharpeners similar to this. And I'm not going to compare them to each other. I'm just going to compare it to itself. Throw those in the trash. Here we go. Rubberized grip, rubberized bottom to keep it from sliding. There we go. Let me open this back up. Now I'm going to put this down, and we're going to see if we collect any. Move this rock and drop it on the floor. We'll see if we collect any steel shavings, and I'm going to zoom in. There we go. There we go. You see how big this thing is. It's not huge compared to the knife right here. Whoops. Okay. Since I really ruined the edge of this blade with that rock, I'm going to have to start with the, let me close up this razor knife. I'm going to have to really start with the carbide which is the one on the left. So when you pull through, you'll see right here. Whoops. Come on there. There we go. Has this part right here, and then it starts to get sharpened right here. Goes all the way through. Now make sure when you pull through the sharpener, when you get to here, you want to go up at a curved motion towards the end. And you don't want to go straight down. Let's see, like this. You want to go at a little curve. So you're going to pull through like that. Just like that. So let me sit back down. Let me shake off this rag a little bit. We're going to see if we can collect any still shavings from this. So here we go. Start right there. Got it straight up. And the directions say put about 3 to 6 pounds pressure on the knife. But who knows what 3 to 6 pounds pressure is, right? So I'm just using the weight of the knife and the weight of my hand and just a slight bit of pressure pushing down with my finger. This finger. There we go. You hear that grinding, right? That carbide tip taking off a lot of that metal, stainless steel. I don't know how many times I'm going to have to pull this through here. I'm guessing at least 20-25 times, right? Since I ran it across that rock. Absolutely destroying the blade edge. Still really dull. Really dull. So let's do it like this. See how this works. Doing about 1 inch at a time. And go back through. Go about 1 inch at a time. I'm not saying that's the correct way of doing it. That's just the way I'm doing it for this knife. Make sure your fingers are on this side of the blade, or you could or will cut yourself. Here, every time I pull through, it gets a little bit less and less on that grinding sound. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see all kinds of metal shavings right here on the cloth. A bunch right here and a bunch right here. Yeah, there's a lot of metal shavings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. There you go. You can see on the, if we can get it to focus. Come on there, focus. Come on. Anyway, you can see right down, there we go. You see right down here where it's already scraped off a bunch of metal. Okay, I've done that about 25 times. Let's check this out. Now granted, this was just the carbide, so it is still really rough, very, very rough. So let's take it through these ceramics, see what happens. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Getting smoother with every pass. 18, 19, 20. Still way off, but it's got to be better than what it was. So let's see here. Definitely better. Let's get us a few more passes through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It cut it. Not a great cut, but it did cut it, right? Just go through this a few more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's see here. There we go. Okay, that is cutting it, right? Let's go through this a few more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, here we go. I put it through that fine side with 7 rods about 60 times now, right? See that? Oh. It is getting a little cut on it. It's not ideal, but it is better than what it was before, right? So, that's all I'm going to do. Is this a good knife sharpener? I would say no, it's not a good one. Will it put a bevel on your knife? Yes, it will do that with these carbide sharpeners. But I'm not real thrilled about these ceramic rods in here. It just doesn't seem to be sharpening it as good as it needs to be. So, my $5 trial will save you $5. So my opinion is, between a 1 and a 10, I would put this at like a 2.5 to a 3. I would recommend not buying this, but if you do, use it only in emergencies only. Do not put your good knives through here. Stuff like your Dollar Tree knives, I don't see any problem with it. But if you like your knives, you use your knives, if you're a professional chef, you know how it goes. Don't put them through these pullback knife sharpeners. Don't put your pocket knives, don't put your honey knives through this. One other thing I failed to notice, there's only a 1 degree of an angle on here. Not like adjustable sharpeners where you can move the rods to a different degree, like 20 or 25 degrees, but this might be something decent to use before you go to a better sharpener. I'm not going to mention any other names here, but there are a lot better than this. But my $5 that was wasted on this will hopefully save you from wasting your $5 on it. So, make your own decisions. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.